Are you ready to transform your gut health and boost your overall well-being? Discover the power of vegan probiotic supplements. Probiotics are live microorganisms, often referred to as good bacteria, that offer numerous health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. These supplements work by introducing beneficial bacteria into the gut, promoting a healthy balance in the gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestive function and a robust immune system. Vegan probiotic supplements, like those from Flora Organic and Future Kind, can help maintain a healthy digestive system. They also boost the immune system and improve mental health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Popular brands such as Health Force Superfoods and Garden of Life offer probiotics that enhance gut health by balancing the gut microbiome. Probiotics increase the number of good bacteria, which can outcompete harmful bacteria and enhance the immune system. Regular use of probiotics may improve digestive health, boost nutrient absorption, and contribute to overall well-being. Probiotics like Lactobacillus plantarum help reduce the population of harmful bacteria such as E. coli. They also promote the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines, helping regulate the immune response. Probiotics enhance the production of mucus and proteins that seal the tight junctions between epithelial cells, preventing leaky gut syndrome. Gut flora, or the gut microbiome, is a diverse community of bacteria that plays a crucial role in overall health. This complex ecosystem aids in breaking down food, synthesizing nutrients, and modulating the immune system's response to pathogens. An imbalance in the gut microbiome can result from diet, medications, and other factors, leading to digestive disorders and altered immunity. Probiotics can assist in rebuilding beneficial bacteria, helping to counteract the effects of dysbiosis. A healthy gut may influence mental health, as there is a link between gut health and mood regulation. Factors such as antibiotic use, poor diet, and stress can lead to an imbalance in gut flora, resulting in digestive disorders. Probiotic foods can help restore this balance and alleviate symptoms like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Vegan probiotic supplements offer numerous health benefits, including enhancing gut health and supporting the immune system. They are formulated from plant-based sources and are free of common allergens and animal-derived ingredients. Regular use of vegan probiotics aids in digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and promotes overall microbial balance in the gut. Specific strains of probiotics, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, improve digestive function and modulate the gut microbiota. Vegan probiotics can enhance the immune system by promoting a healthy gut microbiome, essential for modulating the immune response. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for the body's ability to defend against pathogens and reduce the frequency of illness. Probiotics may enhance mental health by influencing the gut-brain axis, which connects gut health to psychological well-being. A balanced microbiome can positively affect mood, reduce anxiety, and alleviate symptoms of depression. Probiotics can help modulate inflammatory responses and alleviate symptoms associated with various inflammatory conditions. Brands like Garden of Life, Renew Life, Mega Food, and Flora Organic provide high-quality vegan probiotics. When choosing a vegan probiotic supplement, consider the specific strains, dosage, and additional ingredients. Consult with a healthcare professional to select a probiotic that best supports your individual health goals. Your journey to a healthier gut begins with the right vegan probiotic supplement. Embrace the power of probiotics today.